Science Stories is made possible by the generous support of Teachers Credit Union.
Hello from ETHOS Innovation Centers. This is Alia Caldwell with another science story. Today, we're going to read one of my favorite books. I've used this book for many, many years in my classroom, and I also like to use it with my personal children. Today's book I'm going to read to you is called The Listening Walk by Paul Showers. What do you think a listening walk might be? Where could you take a listening walk? Let's find out. I like to take listening walks. I take walks with my father and our dog. Our dog is called Major. He is an old dog and does not walk very fast. Who do you like to walk with? Do you walk with your family? Do you walk with a pet? We go down the street and we do not talk. Why do you think they don't talk? My father puts his hands in his pockets and thinks. Major walks ahead and sniffs. I keep still and listen. I call this a listening walk. On a listening walk, I do not talk. I listen to all the different sounds. I hear many sounds when I do not talk. Do you know how many sounds you can actually hear when you're still and quiet? I love to do this in my backyard. I have a swing that I love to sit on, and I just listen to the things around me. It's very calming and relaxing. And it also kind of makes me aware of what's actually in my environment. You might want to try this today. Let's see what she hears on her walk. First, I hear Major's toenails on the sidewalk. Major has long toenails. You see those nails? Those are pretty long. When he walks, his toenails scratch the sidewalk. What sound do you think his toenails make? Can you make a sound that sounds like his toenails on the sidewalk? They go. Sound you made? I hear my father's shoes on the sidewalk. Oh, did you know shoes made sound? What do your shoes sound like? My father walks slowly and his shoes go da, 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 da. I can't hear my shoes. I wear sneakers. When you walk around your house or outside or in your school, can you hear your shoes? Do you hear other people's shoes? I hear all sorts of sounds on a listening walk. I listen to sounds I never listened to before. I listen to lawnmowers. Lawnmowers are noisy. A lawnmower makes a steady noise. Have you ever heard a lawnmower at your house? Do you have a push mower, like in the picture? Or do you have a play mower, like my little friend here? My sons love to play with their play lawnmower. Do you have a lawnmower that you ride on? Do you have a big lawnmower? or a little lawnmower? What sound does that lawnmower make? She hears the sound zoom. Is the sound that sound the sound that you hear? Have you ever seen this in your neighborhood or maybe in your yard? Maybe you've seen it on your way to school. Do you know what this is? This is a sprinkler. Where I live, we have many farm fields and they have the big, huge sprinklers. I love to roll down my window just a little bit when we're driving past and listen to the sound that they make. What sound do you think a sprinkler makes? I like to listen to lawn sprinklers. Lawn sprinklers are very quiet. They make different sounds. Some sprinklers make a steady whispering sound, like other sprinklers go round and around and they go. What kind of sprinkler have you heard? Do you have a sprinkler that you play in the summer? My children have one that sprays all over the place and it makes the kind of sound. Oh, on a listening walk, I hear cars in the street. The shiny new cars are quiet. What sound does a car make? Do different cars make different sounds? The new shiny cars make a soft But old cars are very noisy. Old cars go like this. Braka, 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 braka. Can you make an old car sound? When cars go around the corner too fast, the tires go. Have you heard a screeching tire before? Too fast. When cars stop quickly, the brakes go. Have you ever been in the car when mom or dad have had to slam on the brakes real fast? It's pretty noisy. On a listening walk, I hear all kinds of sounds. A bell ringing, dring, dring. A baby crying, wah, 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 wah. A jet flies over. The jets are very noisy when they're overhead. They go, yow. A boy runs by dribbling his basketball. Bump, 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 bump. In your city, what kind of sounds do you hear? Do you live in a big city with a lot of traffic? Or do you live in a quiet city where it's very calm and very few cars? Do you live in a place where you can walk or ride your bike? Think for a minute about the place where you live. Where I live, we have many, many of these, and you can hear them all the time. I hear them turning around by my house. We have a little spot where the buses turn around. I also hear them when I'm at work. I can hear them go by my office. Do you ride a school bus to school? Have you ever stopped while you're riding the bus and listened? Listen to the noise around you. What might you hear on your ride to school or on your ride home? Let's see what our little girl hears. A lady hurries by us. She is wearing high heels. Have you ever heard someone walking in high heels? The lady's high heels go pick, buck, pick, buck, pick, buck. A bus is coming. The lady starts to run. Pick, 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 pick. The bus stops at the corner. Have you ever heard the bus brakes stop like that? The lady gets on. The bus stops off again. Around the corner, men are digging up the street. They are using a jackhammer. It makes a loud banging sound. Can you sound like a jackhammer? The jackhammer hurts my ears. I put my hands over my ears as we walk by. What kind of construction do you see where you live? Are they building tall buildings? Are they building small new shops? Are they building a house near you? What kind of construction have you heard lately? Sometimes my father and I take Major to the park. It is quiet there. The sounds in the park are not loud like the noises in the street. My father and I walk down a shady path. I do not talk. I listen. I listen to my father's shoes on the path. They make a soft sound. They go. Do you have a favorite park that you like to visit? This picture is actually from one of my favorite parks in my area. My children and I love to come here and listen to the sounds around us. A park is a great place for a listening walk. Let's see what else she hears. I listen to the birds in the park. I listen to the pigeons and the ducks. The pigeons fly down to meet us. They want us to feed them. The pigeons puff up their feathers. They take little tiny steps. They walk toward us, nodding their heads. They go, broo, broo, broo. Can you make a sound like a pigeon? At the pond, the ducks are waiting. They want us to feed them too. The small ducks swim up close. They turn their heads on one side and look up at us. The small ducks waggle their tails and quack. They say, gong, 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 gong. The big ducks are not so brave. They stay back and swim around in circles. The big ducks look at us, but they do not come close. The big ducks say, quack, quack, quack. Have you ever heard a duck? Can you sound like a duck? This is another part of the park that I love to visit. And parks near my house have trails like this everywhere. My family and I love to go walking on these trails. Let's see what our friend in the story hears this time. Sometimes I hear a woodpecker in the park. Have you ever heard a woodpecker? They're pretty noisy. The woodpecker sounds like a little hammer. He goes, "Rat-tat-tat-tat-tat-tat." In the park, I hear crickets in the grass. The crickets go, "Creak, creak, creak." I hear the wind in the leaves. It whispers, "Shh, shh." I hear the bees in the flowers. Bzzz. When you're at the park, what do you hear? When I'm in this kind of a setting, I often hear leaves crunching because people are walking. Sometimes I can hear twigs snapping. Sometimes I hear those woodpeckers. And other times, I just hear the quiet, calm wind. It is fun to go on a listening walk. You do not have to go far. You can walk around the block and listen. You can walk around your yard and listen. You do not even have to take a walk to hear sounds. There are sounds everywhere all the time. All you have to do is keep still and listen to them. So take a moment right now, wherever you are. If you're at home or in the classroom, take a moment, be silent, and listen. What do you hear? Even in the most quiet place, there is noise. Take a moment now. Right now, there are sounds you can hear. When you finish this page, close the book and listen. How many different sounds can you hear right now? Close your book and count them. So my challenge for you today is wherever you go, whether you're at home or at school or having a play day, I want you to take some time to have a little bit of a listening walk. If you can't walk because of wherever you are, take a moment and be still and listen. I would love for you to leave me a comment telling me, what did you hear on your listening walk or your listening moment? What kind of things are around you that you didn't notice before? It's always amazing when I do this with my students, what they actually hear. Thank you for joining me today for the listening walk, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Thank you to our Science Stories sponsor, TCU Foundation. We can only offer these fun videos because of the generosity of our donors. Thank you, Teachers Credit Union.